ഓം ശ്രീമാത്രേ നമഃ. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panjangam, 9th September 2025, Avani Masam 24th, Vishwasnama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayinam, Varsha Ridhu, Avani Masam, that is Chingya Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tithi up to night Didiyai, then Tridiyai, Bhauma Vasram, that is Tuesday, Nakshatram up to night 9 p.m. Uttartadi, then Revadi. Today's Ragalam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Yamagandam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Guliyagalam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Good time 7:30 to 9 a.m. then 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Today's sunrise 6 a.m. Chandrashtamam 4 Simha Rashi. Shulam North. പ്രായച്ചിത്തം മിൽക്ക്. ശ്രാദ്ധതിഥി ദ്വിതീയ. ഓം ശ്രീമാത്രേ നമഃ.